boys and girls, it's calendar time. So let's sing about the months of the year. I'm afraid I think the computer's set up a little bit wonky for that today. Sorry about that. Okay, that's a little bit better. I might have to tilt it again when we do that. But here is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. Now days of the week. Ready to swing our arms and clap? Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. So the column that has the next card that we need to turn over is right here. And it is, bring it up a little bit closer. It is the day Friday. So today is Friday. And we already figured out that the month is September, but let's find out what day, what number it is. Okay, let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Get your hand ready. What's the number, everyone? Did you say 25? Good counting. It is the 25th. That's how we say that. So today is Friday, September 25th. And now we're going to think about our pattern. So the other day we talked about a diagonal pattern. Look, blue circle, blue circle, blue circle. What do you think? I think there's a pretty good chance that that's a blue circle. Let's take a look and see if there's any other patterns. So look, this is a real life object, a yellow triangle, a blue circle. Well, we're not going that way, are we? Let's see. A yellow triangle. I guess that's the only pattern really we could look at, except for this one. Let's do this. Circle, rectangle, triangle, square. Real life objects. Circle, rectangle, triangle, square. Circle, rectangle, triangle, square. Circle, rectangle, triangle, square. Circle, rectangle, triangle, square. Real life objects. Circle, rectangle, triangle, square. So you know we go all the way through to square, and then we start our real life objects, but we've already done down here. Our pattern is done for the real life objects. So we're back to the colored shapes. Let's see if we were right. Yes! It's a blue circle and 25. All right, so let's finish the other part of our calendar routine. We're going to put up a new sentence strip today. This is going to be, I'm going to add it over there on top of one of our whiteboards, and we'll use it for a number line so that when you come back to school, we'll have a big number line that we made ourselves. Here's our next one. So if we already filled that, remember yesterday, we filled up the 10 frame, and we also moved our clip collection up so that we have one group of 10. So now we're going back in our clip collection to the blue clips. So we have one group of 10 and one more. And the way that we write that is one group of 10 and one more. And that number is called 11. One group of 10 and one more is 11. So we are going back to the pink stars on the top row of our 5 frame or our 10 frame, sorry. I'm going to fill our first box of our second 10 frame with a pink star. Let's see, what else? Oh yeah, we need to spin. Find our spinner. Want to make a prediction about what number? Take a look at all these numbers. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to spin it this way so it doesn't. Again, it was on this. I moved it accidentally. What number? It's a 4. Yeah, that's where the number is pointing to, or the spinner is pointing to. So I'm going to take this stick and count off 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and add it to the stick that I've already been building for the whole week. And then we'll put up a sticky note to see how many of these cubes we collected for our first week of our collection. It's not staying there very well, so I'm going to put it up against me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 cubes. I'm going to break it in half and put it in our week 1. And then I'm going to take a sticky note and write the number 16. And the way that we write the number 16, boys and girls, is it's a teen number, has one group of 10 and 6 more. So I will put this right here so we remember how many cubes we spun the first week and see if we get more or less next week. All right, now I went outside today and I walked around. There's a track outside the playground and it was kind of nice. It was cloudy, but the sun was kind of casting some beams on the clouds. So I would definitely say partly cloudy. So I'm going to color in a purple because there were some clouds, but I could still see the sun a little bit shining through. So partly cloudy. So we still have the most in the column of cloudy. So don't forget, boys and girls, today after school, from 1 to 2 or from 5 to 6, you can come and get a popsicle and your next 2 weeks of learning materials. And one of the things you're going to get is another one of the weather graphs. Okay, have a great weekend. I'll see you next week.